All right, out Cars and Coffee. Here's one from my buddy Bill. 66 Biscayne. Oh yeah, stick shift, baby. Bench seat. Big car with a stick. Don't know what's under the hood, but wait for it. Oh yeah, Lyman slack. If you know, you know. Good looking old Chevy. All right, well, I wish I would have got this one pulling in because it sounds incredible. And man, is this guy hardcore. Look at the height on those windshields. Real deal. 427 Ford Cobra. Beautiful car. Looks totally legit. Race, roll bar, everything, and it sounds just awesome. But yeah, you gotta give him credit for driving out here in 38-degree weather with those windshields.
Of these around, fewer than those.
Sorry about the shadows. Look at the detail on this Chrysler 300. You know, in this day and age where manufacturers put vinyl decals on a car, to tell you what it is, look at this thing. All individual chrome letters. They really made them well. A lot of work went into this. Heavy stamped steel, American steel, baby. Alright, I think you could call this car the pinnacle. 1966, 425 horsepower, 427 Corvette. It actually has a really rare option, the headrests. I guess that there were very few with those. Of course, it's a 4-speed. Love the color. Wicked car. Alright, this is from my buddy Pete Summers, if he watches this channel. Small block Ford. Look at this old Cougar. I rode around for a lot of days in a Cougar in high school. This is a stick shift XR7, really nicely done. It's got autometer gauges in place of the stock gauges in the dash. Straight as a pin, beautiful paint, sounds awesome. It's built. Alright, well, take a good look at this paint. He says this paint was done in 1975, and this car was striped by Mitch Kim. If you know Mitch Kim's name, you know how good he is. I think he's semi-retired now. Absolutely incredible, especially knowing how old that paint is. Really nice car. Family car. Alright, well, it's the right color for sure. Look at this Javelin. Uh-oh, got an emblem coming out. It says 360. Don't know what's actually in it. Black interior, automatic. Look at the huge wing they put on these things back then. SST Javelin. Ooh, Mark Donahue. That is a special model. If that's legit. Really straight. Neat old car. And of course, love that color. Alright, this is Hank the Jeep, apparently. This is every bit as hardcore as that Cobra. Oh, look at that. We got casings in the floor pan. But yeah, no windshield. No windshield on a 38-degree morning. Neat old Jeep. Look at that. Legit old tires and all. Super cool. Alright, well, I talked to the guy that owns this. It is a 65. It has a newer 302 roller motor in it. It is a 4-speed pony interior, really nice car. He says he got it at Affordable Classics in Gladstone, but yeah, really cool. Old red Mustang, gotta love it. Rode around in one of these a lot before high school. 1961 Chevrolet Corvette.
I didn't do it. Wasn't me. I did.
This car's been here before. I saw a post on Facebook. This man lost his dad. This was his dad's car. honoring him today, bringing it out here, which is really cool. Beautiful old Corvette. There is no substitute. What a difference 100 years makes. Look at this old Ford F-250. This thing is a peach. It even has orange interior, looks like original seats with the stripes. Looks like a Survivor. Yeah, great shape. You don't see too many of these anymore. These were good old trucks.
Nice guy.
Well, you don't necessarily see these every day around here in the winter. Ferrari, baby. Not the kind of car I would normally video. BMW M5. If you've driven one of these or ridden in one, you know these things haul and they are comfortable. BMW did it right when they built these. I may have actually gotten this one before. Really nice C5Z06. Nice choice of wheels. Beautiful car. These things are fun. Buddy Scott has one of these in yellow. Very fun car. Factory race car, basically. Wandering around. Totally missed this. 57 Bel Air, two-door hardtop. It's a stick, and you can kind of see, you probably can't see, it's a newer stick. It looks like a Tremec in there. Old Survivor, dull paint, some rust on the chrome, but it is out here cruising. Love it.